work my way up. A little bit short on the right side. There we go. Better. Let's go and grab the handlebars above your head. Yes, sir. Alright, let's go and turn this on. Okay, here's the magic. Let's go and breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. The neck. The neck again. Let's do this. Nice. Let's do this side too. Nice. Okay, let's go and line your left side and face the wall to over here. Feel a click? Feel it? Okay, let's do the same thing over here. Okay, perfect, perfect. Come closer to me. Thank you. Let's pre-stretch you out here first. There's one time, did you feel that? I felt it too. Okay, let's go line your back. Scoot up with me. Cross your arms. Use the little fulcrum. Try to pop it here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, down. And thank you, thank you. Let's go and get you strapped in. Thank you. Got two. Very gentle stretch. I'm going to rock it and then I'll tug it. So by rocking it, that helps to cause the discs to ingest water and hydration to help lubricate the joints between the bones. And I'm going to tug it here. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Did you feel that? Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, feel it in that spot too.
Get a little bit of relief?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, we're going to do side to side. And sometimes it pops, sometimes it doesn't pop. It probably popped when I had you facing down earlier. 2. This one's for the knee too. Do the left side just for balance. Okay, so grab my elbow and face me. Over the shoulders too. How's the neck feel?
Feels a little better, but yeah, I can feel that area that's been bothering me.
Okay, let's go. Give you some oil. This is cornmeal oil, which is an Asian oil. It'll help act as an analgesic
Yeah, sometimes when I sleep, and I've been trying to change up the way I sleep sometimes, but sometimes I still end up in the wrong position.
Sure.
But if it's like right under the base, what is that? That's usually where I have the pain at. It's
Okay.
like here under the base of the head, and then it gives me like headaches and stuff sometimes.
Let's do the same thing left. So from the shoulder, the elbow, I should say, the elbow and the fingers. And do the right side. Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna get up and walk around and see how that feels so far. Feel like a new man?
Much more range of motion.
More range of motion?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome.